Hi, my name is Richard Mail, and I teach Principles of Visual Language, Form and Color. In this class, students study the principles of design, ideas like contrast of size and contrast of texture, contrast of shape, positive and negative relationships, what we call figure ground. And they also study color theory principles, ideas like contrast of light and dark, contrast of temperature, contrast of vivid and dull, contrast of extension, the color wheel, and the classic Joseph Albers assignments, how to make one color look like two, and the idea that you can actually produce the illusion of transparency using just color. The experiences that students have in this class add up to a creative toolkit, ideas that can be used to make your work look better, to solve visual problems, and to perhaps change the way you look at design in your day-to-day life. To see examples of students' work, you can look at my website. I hope to see you in class. Thank you.